Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock advanced Bluetooth features in Windows 11. Windows 11 offers advanced Bluetooth features that will enhance the functionality of your Bluetooth devices. So through this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock and use advanced Bluetooth features on your Windows 11 PC. But first, you need to make sure that your drivers is up to date. So to ensure you are getting the best Bluetooth experience, it is important to keep your Bluetooth drivers up to date. You can open the device manager by pressing on Windows plus X on your keyboard and tap on this device manager. And here you'll see the Bluetooth option. You can just expand it, right click on it and choose to update driver. Choose to search automatically for drivers. And here after updating, you can just restart your PC to apply any changes. Okay, you can just restart after this. Next, you can enable the Bluetooth LE audio or low energy audio. Bluetooth LE audio, which includes features like multi-stream audio, hearing aids support, and low latency, is a part of advanced Bluetooth capabilities available on Windows 11. So you need to enable it first. So ensure that your Bluetooth hardware support Bluetooth LE audio. If your PC's Bluetooth adapter support it, you can enable this feature. Again, you can just open the device manager and go to Bluetooth in here. Right click on the Bluetooth and select properties. I don't know why I can't see it. Okay, this one. And here you can just update the Bluetooth LE audio features. Next, you can also activate Bluetooth device streaming. Windows 11 allows you to stream audio and transfer files to Bluetooth devices such as speakers and other audio peripherals. So you can just open Windows settings and go to the Bluetooth settings, this one, and ensure that your Bluetooth audio devices are paired and set as your default audio output device in sound settings. And after that, you can just enable file transfer over Bluetooth. Next, you can also unlock Bluetooth device control via Windows settings, so you can control and customize Bluetooth devices more efficiently, including setting them as a default devices for specific functions. So you can just go to settings and here Bluetooth and devices. Make sure your Bluetooth devices are paired and select the devices and click on set as default for audio or communications. There's also Bluetooth Smart Lock. You can use Bluetooth Smart Lock to unlock your PC when your pair phone is nearby. So this feature improves security and convenience. You can go to the settings and then go to accounts and find the sign in options, this one. And you can just enable the dynamic lock to set up this feature, this one. You can also use a Bluetooth as keyboard or mouse. So for devices that support Bluetooth HID or human interface device profiles, you can turn Bluetooth keyboards or mouse into a remote control for your PC. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.